Respected Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers and friends. I am Agborh studying in class 5, English medium at Renaissance Senior Secondary School. Today, I want to talk about a very important person from Assam, Srimanta Shankardev. He was a great saint, poet and leader who lived a long time ago in the 15th century. Shankardev is known for his wonderful teachings and ideas about love, unity and devotion. He taught people to worship one God and emphasized the importance of being kind and caring to everyone, no matter who they were. This idea of unity is very important today, especially when we see so much division in the world. Shankaradev's message reminds us that we are all part of one big family. He also loved music, dance and drama. He used his art forms to share his teachings and connect with people. This shows us how powerful art can be in bringing people together and helping us understand important messages. Shankardev was champion for equality. He believed that everyone should have the same rights regardless of their background. This is a lesson we can learn from him. In our school and community, we should treat everyone with respect and kindness, no matter who they were. In conclusion, Shankaradev's teachings about love, unity and devotion and respect for others are still very important today. If we follow his examples, we can help create a better world where everyone feels included and appreciated. Thank you for listening to me.